Yeah, hi everyone. So let's get started with today's lesson. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of matter. So we will take about the three main states of matter that we already discussed: solid, liquid, and the gases, and how they apply to our everyday life. Are you ready? So let's get started. So, first up, let's talk about the solid. This rock is a great example of a solid. Solid have a definite shape and volume. This means that the rock will always look like a rock no matter where I take it. As you can see over here, we have this picture for the rock. It has proper shape, it has proper volume no matter where we just take it. So, this is the best example for the solid one. Now, question is this: why we are learning about the solid? So, just to learn about the solid and their characteristics is just the benefit to identify any kind of the liquid thing. Just like I have this pen, so it has a proper shape and the proper volume. So that means it is just made up of a solid matter. So, the next thing we have, so, question is this, like, why are solids important? So, well, think about all the things around you that are solid, like your desk, your chair, and even the toys you play with. All of these objects have tightly packed particles that don't have much. That's why solid hold their shape and are great for building things. Now, let's move on the liquids. So, here we have the next part, which is the liquid thing, which is the liquid thing. So from this part, we will gonna learn, think about juice, milk, or even the rain. So the particles in liquids are very close together but can move around freely, which is why they can flow. This ability to flow makes liquid essential for things like drinking, washing, and the cooking as well. So from this part you can see, if we are pouring this glass of water, like we are just pouring water from bottle to the glass, so water will gonna take shape of the glass. So this is the best example. That means liquid doesn't have any kind of a shape, but they have a proper volume as well. They doesn't have shape, but it has proper volume so that we can measure it. Now, the next part or the last thing, like liquids are just like all around us too. So think about juice, milk, and even that we are drinking on a daily basis. So finally, let's talk about our gases. So holds up a balloon. Gas are a bit different. They don't have a definite shape or a volume. So when I glow up, like when I just blow up this balloon, so the air inside takes the shape of the balloon. But if I let it go, so whoosh, so the air rushes out, the spreads everywhere. As you can see over here, we have this balloon, and if we are just blown up, after that, all the airs will gonna comes out and our balloon will gonna be burst out. That means like in our daily lives we just use gases for things like cooking on a gas stove or even filling our tires with air. So, here we are going to summarize with kind of the recap. Solids have a definite shape and the volume, like this rock. Liquids have definite shape, volume, like but take the shape of their container, like this water. And gases have no definite shape or the volume, they will gonna feel whatever the space. So, they are in just like the air. So, thank you for joining me on this adventure through the states of matter. Remember, matter is all around us, and understanding it helps us understand our world better. So, keep exploring and